In Python, a string is an ordered sequence of Unicode characters. Individual characters of a string can be accessed by using the method of indexing. Indexing allows you to access a specific character in a string by its position. Each character in the string has a unique index in the sequence. Python supports positive and negative indexing. Positive indexing. Characters are accessed from left to right. Python uses zero-based indexing. The index starts with 0. The first character in the string has its positional index 0. The index keeps incrementing towards the end of string. Negative indexing. This allows negative address references to access characters from the back of the string. Characters are accessed from right to left. -1 refers to the last character, -2 refers to the second last character, and so on. Specific characters in a string can be accessed using square brackets. This is the syntax. Index must be an integer. To access the nth character using positive indexing, use index n-1. For example, to access the first character, index is 0, second character, index is 1, and so on. For example, here is a string s1 equal to welcome. s10 will return w, the first character. To access the third character, index is 2. s12 will return the third character L. To access the nth character from the back using negative indexing, use index -n. For example, to access the last character, index is -1, and third character from the end of the string, index is -3. s1-1 will return E, s1-3 will return O. Out of range index. Trying to access a character using an index that is out of the range of the string will result in an index error. Index must be within the valid range. For a string of length n, valid positive indices are 0 to n-1. Valid negative indexes are -n to -1. For example, for the string welcome, which is of length 7, valid positive indexes are 0 to 6. Valid negative indices are -7 to -1. For example, you will get an index error if the index is greater than 6 or less than -7. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.